Now let us discuss 87. Which of the following series of transitions in the spectrum of hydrogen falls under the visible region? Among the four transitions, which series falls under the UV region? Okay, this is a conceptual question. We know that Pascan and bracket series falls under IR, infrared, whereas Lyman series falls under UV region, ultraviolet region. The third one is Balmer series. It falls under the visible region. So according to the concept, visible region falls under Balmer series. So our answer is 2 is our correct answer.